This video tutorial demonstrates using the Quick Connect feature inside the Cognitopia platform. Quick Connect is ideal for creating multiple Cognitopia accounts at one time. To be best prepared, we recommend having a list of email addresses and names handy. Here we see Pam, a transition teacher, adds a new student, Charles, to her existing classroom roster. Pam is logged into her Cognitopia account and selects the Relationship menu from her dashboard. When the Relationship window opens, you can see she has already connected with 3 students, John, Steve, and Cade, a coworker named Debbie, and the Cognitopia customer support account. To add a new student, she selects Connect with Someone New and enters Charles's email and selects Student from the drop-down menu. With the checkbox for Quick Connect selected, Pam enters Charles' first and last names and clicks the Send button. A welcome email is generated from Cognitopia and sent to Charles's email address. Here we see him opening the email from his Gmail account. The first thing Charles will see is a note that says Pam Teacher has identified you as a student. They would like to work with you in Cognitopia. When he clicks the blue button that says View Relationships, Charles' new Cognitopia account opens for the first time in the Relationships menu, and he's already connected to his teacher. Clicking on a person's photo in the Relationships menu opens a private chat window where Charles can send messages directly to his teacher or anyone else he is connected to. The next thing Charles can do in his Cognitopia account is upload a profile photo and set a password. To do that, he selects the Profile menu from his dashboard. Here we see him upload a photo he already had saved on his phone or computer. Some teachers or instructors may want to set passwords for their students to use, and we will demonstrate how to do that using the Support Hub in a different video. Here, Charles sets his own password in the profile. Teachers or anyone supporting Charles can help him reset or change his password from the Support Hub at any time. Again, we'll show that in a different video. Let's go back to Pam's account and see how she can respond to Charles' private message. Like Charles, she navigates to her Relationships menu and clicks on Charles' profile photo. She types her reply in the bottom of the chat window and hits Enter, or presses the blue arrow button to reply.